Okay guys, just a quick channel intro here. This is Paul Bates. Welcome aboard Southern Estate, where I currently live full-time with my wife Beverly and our dog Daisy. On this particular channel here, all we're going to talk about is product reviews and things that make our life easier RVing. With over 30 years of RVing experience, that's pretty much all me and Bev have done our entire life. We love RVs and we love boating. Currently we live full-time on our trawler. And right now we are in the process of doing America's Great Loop. We only have one more section left and we've already completed 6,000 miles of the loop. And in that we've learned a lot, and we're sharing that with you guys right here on the different products that we use throughout the loop. But it doesn't even mean that is our RVing experience in general, because again, we live full-time in our RV, and this isn't going out there every weekend or doing this or doing that. We've done all of that, but we also have lived full-time in an RV for 5 years. We've also lived in a boat full-time now for well over a year. It's been actually a couple years on a couple different occasions. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys hit those like button and subscribe button and share it with your friend. I surely do appreciate it. Just a little channel intro here. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it.